Assalamu alaikum. Welcome guys in new Flutter tutorials. In this video I will show you how to make a large or medium app bar. I already created a new Flutter project. Let's remove the comments. Click on Ctrl H and use double slash point star. Select this and click on replace all. Now click Ctrl S to save the file, and don't forget to use this extension. It's called Flutter Widget Snippets. This will give you a useful Flutter widgets, so you don't need to write it down. So first of all, let's remove this appbar. Now and remove this column again and remove this. Okay, first of all, let's add custom scroll view. Now let's add slivers and SliverAppBar. We have three options. We have the normal one and the large one and the medium one. Let's use the large one. You can't let it empty. You need to add a title, or you will get an error. Give it a name text. Let's save it. As you can see, we have a big bar. Now let's add another widget. It's called sliver 2 box adapter. This one will have the pass to add a widget inside, and it has a child parameter. And now let's add list view. As you can see, those from the extension I already recommended to you. Let's add this list view builder. Let's make it 50, and we will return card widget card, and this child is text. This is remove this. I forget something. When you have this kind of error, you need only to add a shrink up here and make it true, because you can't add a list view inside another. This is work as scroll view. You can't, and list view is another scroll view, so you can't add a scroll view inside scroll view. So you need to add this parameter to fix the problem. Let's save it and refresh again. As you can see, this is it. Look how the appbar expand and collapse when you scroll down. You can change the SliverAppBar parameter just like the normal appbar. It has a center title. Let's make it true. True. As you can see, it get on center of the appbar. Let's change it to material tree UI. To change this, you need to go to your main. You need to go to theme data here and add this, use material tree, and make it to true. This will force the app to use the latest material tree UI. As you can see, this is it. This is the material tree. As you can see, even the floating button has changed from circle to a rounded box. You can, as I said, you can use appbar parameter, the SliverAppBar. Let's change this large to medium. Look how it gets smaller. And I think this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope you understand this video and see you in the next one.